Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrijita. Today is Sunday, May 20th. Yep, May 20th. Right now I'm gonna make lunch. I'm gonna make Chello Kebab for lunch. If you guys don't know what Chello Kebab is, it's actually a Iranian dish consisting of rice, varieties of kebabs. But I get to know about this dish from one of the restaurant called Peter Cat in Kolkata. Their signature, one of the signature dishes called Chello Kebab, and I get to know about this dish from there. And today I'm gonna make that with my touch. So let's get into this video. I'm gonna make saffron rice and two kinds of kebabs. One is sikh kebab. For that I'm gonna use minced chicken, and I'm gonna make another one malai kebab, and for that I'm gonna use the chicken breast. So yeah, now let's get into this video. At first I wrap the chicken pieces by paper towel to soak extra moisture. Then I'm gonna add heavy cream, yogurt, pepper, a little bit of chopped coriander, chili paste, ginger garlic paste, and I'll mix it up, cover it, and marinate it for at least 30 minutes. And when I'll cook it, just before that I'll add salt and oil, but not now. Oh, I add a little bit of lemon juice too. So yeah. So now I'm gonna marinate the sheikh kebab. For that I take minced chicken, then I am adding lemon juice, then I'll add pepper powder, then I'll add chili paste, chopped coriander, chopped onion, and for masala I'm gonna add cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and garam masala powder, and I mixed it up. And I'm not gonna add oil and salt right now. After the marination, when I'll cook it, I'll add salt and oil then. So yeah, I add ginger garlic paste too. I soak the skewers into the water before using it. Now I'm gonna add salt and little bit of mustard oil into it before put it in the skewers. Just don't add too much of oil, otherwise it will fall off from the skewers. Add a little bit of oil into it. Now I'm gonna take a good amount of marinated minced chicken and put it in the skewers, and I'll bake it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And I'm also gonna bake 2 tomatoes while baking this kebabs. So yeah. Now I'm gonna add salt and a little bit of vegetable oil into the malai kebab marination, and then I'll put it into the skewers and cook it. So today I'm gonna cook rice in the rice cooker. So for that I'm adding rice, water and little bit of saffron into it, and salt to taste, and yeah. So I'll add a little bit of butter into the pan, and then I'll cook this malai kebab for 15 to 20 minutes, 7 to 8 minutes on each side, until it's get fully cooked. So cutting the salads for side, and I'll add lemon juice into the salads. So now it's the plating time. I'll add the saffron rice, sheikh kebab, malai kebab, salad, roasted tomato, and a cube of butter. If you want, you can add fried eggs into it, but we both don't want to have eggs today, so I didn't do that. But if you want, you can add that too. So after having lunch, as usual, I need to do the dishes, and I'm gonna wipe down the countertops after cleaning the dishes. So yeah. Now I have this pile of clothes to fold, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Now I'm just gonna straighten up all my couch pillows and clean a bit, clean a little bit, and then I'm gonna sit and chill because after cooking that lunch and having that heavy lunch and doing this chores, I'm really exhausted right now. So I'm gonna chill and end today's vlog here. So yeah guys, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Mwah. And if you guys like to watch my videos and still you didn't subscribe, please do so. That will be awesome. And yeah guys, bye.